Good morning, everyone. This is Ching-Hui. Today, my alcohol ink painting project is Tulips. I painted this painting 2 years ago, so today I'm going to do the tulip painting on a smaller piece of Ipo paper. The alcohol ink I picked is Botanical green from Ranger, and then this one is Passion Purple from Pinata. This one is Lake Blue from Brea, Reese, and they all have different consistency. So let's get started. So I also have Q-tips and then a palette knife to manipulate, and a tray, and the alcohol wipe, and also the alcohol spray. Alright, so let's just simply drop. So you can see this passion purple, the color is so beautiful, and it really flowing so slow. So while they're still wet, you can manipulate the flower shape. Okay, so let me. So something like that. And it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, it will kind of set once it dry, and before it's still wet, you can manipulate something. Just create a little bit like something like that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm going to make another one right here, or you can use Q-tips. Manipulate. That one hasn't opened yet. Okay, and then I want to create something more like this. So just do one more. Okay, so now I'm going to add the lake blue color in between, one here, one here. You can see this two alcohol ink is a little bit thicker than the one I use on the roses. Okay, so just keep manipulating. Okay, you can create some in between, and let the color kind of overlap will be fine too. Okay, I'm going to create one more here. And with the tulip shape, you can create all kind of like it hasn't opened up yet, or like some tulip really open up. So you can design your shape. Okay, so this is basic. Okay, so the second one, I'm going to use different technique. Okay, I'm going to just apply alcohol ink on a piece of paper, and I'm going to do the one I showed you before on the roses. I'm going to place this on the paper, and you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to create something like that. That is pretty. Okay. And you can always go back to add more if you feel like, can create one more pattern on this side. Okay. So you can compare, they both are different, and you can use the palette knife, manipulate a little bit. Okay. I'm going to start something like that. Try one blue one in the middle. Okay. Oh, I forgot to apply on the paper, but you can use the paper, just bring it up. Create some interesting shape. The way I love alcohol ink is you can just be creative with all kind of possibility. Okay, so this is another technique you can work on the tulip. Show you how to make the tulip stem. Usually I just drop some alcohol. This is Botanical green, and use the cup to create a stem. So I dip a little bit, and I just kind of go this way. Something like that. And could be going this way. Okay, and coming this way. This way, something like that. And I'm also going to add another dark blue. Let me see. This is the Rainforest green from Pinata. This color is beautiful too, and it's a little bit thicker, so I love to use this for the stand. Okay, so you can something like that. Okay, and I'm going to form some tulip leaf part by using that. And you can always turn around the angle and do on this part. So you can create a very nice shape like that. Okay. Okay, so today is very short demo, but it turned out really beautiful. Hope you enjoy today's tulip alcohol ink painting. This is Ching-Hui. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.